Hello viewers, myself Nikita Goyal from Vector. In this tutorial, we are going to see how can we log security related issues in CANoe for analysis. This tutorial is linked to our knowledge base article KB0014491. For this, first we need to activate the security manager logging option. For this, I will go to Vector Tool Manager. Uh, for the ease purpose, I have already kept it open, Vector Tool Manager. We always recommend to close CANoe before opening can.ini file to make sure that the changes are not overwritten. I will go to CANoe here. Uh, Currently, the my latest CANoe version, CANoe 17, I'll just go there, right click and edit the can.ini file. Once we have opened can.ini file, we will search for the debug logs section in that, and we can see there are some keys available for which we need to do the entries. So very first we will make the logging active as 1 and timestamp type as 2. Then we will set the log file path here. We will first remove the semicolons over this, and I have created a folder in my D drive as security manager logs. So I'm just using that path to save my log file, which I'm giving name as loganalyze.csv and log runtime kernel.csv. In the last, we will just scroll down to log level 19 and make it 4 for the extended level of the logging. Once we are done with the settings, we can save can.ini file. Close the can.ini file, and after this, I can start my CANoe. For the demonstration purpose, I have used our sample configuration on UDS 29 service. I will just start this measurement and perform certain functions which which contains vector security manager involvement. So we can stop this measurement. We can see in the security configuration, we assign the security profile. So basically through here, the security manager has been used. Now, if I will go to the path I gave for the file, log files, I can see in my D drive security manager log folder, there is already a log analyze.csv and log runtime kernel.csv is created. So we can see the logs have been captured. Now we need to make the log file again, deactivate the logging part so that it will not take the logs every time we run CANoe. So again, I will just close the CANoe. I will go to the tool manager. I will right click here, open the can.ini file, search the debug log option, make the logging active as 0, and save it. That's it. If CANoe is running in distributed mode, please continue below additional settings. First, we will check in CANoe which bit variant our RT kernel is running using. So I'll just go to CANoe options, and in measurement general, I will scroll it to the end to check in the execution environment. So I have selected 32-bit RT kernel here. I'll just select the setting. Now I will close the CANoe. I will go to my vector tool manager and open the can.ini file. Now, like before, I will search the log file runtime kernel path in can.ini. Since I deactivated the logging, I will activate it again. And for the distributed mode, I need to change this log file runtime kernel key. The path for the log file I need to give, I will take it from the knowledge base article. I will just scroll it down. Since I use 32-bit kernel, I will take the path which is referring for 32-bit kernel of the RT server. Uh, I will copy this path here.
Update. Please make also sure that under RT file sync cache, the key move user file cache location is set to 0.
And I will save the can.ini file. The rest all the settings are same. Now I will open the CANoe one more time. I am using the same sample configuration. I will go to vector tool platform from the home page of CANoe. It will detect the RT module which I have connected here. In my case, it's VN8914. I will go to the CANoe canalizer option here and to the execution environment. And now I will update the RT kernel. So now basically I am deploying the can.ini settings which I made to the VN8914. Once this is done, we will go to the remote files, and in user file I'll try to add I will just create a folder here with dummy. I will create a text file here with name dummy.txt. So when we will create this dummy.txt, basically the user file folder in the RT device is created. Now I will uh, restart the RT kernel. I will switch to the distributed mode. I will uncheck this option and check it once again. So if I will go to the remote files now, I can see the log runtime kernel.csv is created. It is 0 KB because the file is just created. We do not have any logs captured yet. I will just close the settings. I will start the CANoe. I will do certain settings. Okay. After certain things, I'll stop the measurement in the vector tool manager tool platform once again. Now, if I go to CANoe Canalizer and remote files, I can see there is some logs captured. So do not forget to save this file to some path, whatever is suitable to your local PC before closing CANoe. Um, Once we save this file, we can close the CANoe configuration um, so that the other file also a log file analyze.csv also gets created. And once we have that file created, please do not forget to um, in can.ini file make the logging deactivated once again and deploy the can.ini ones back to the RT kernel. Once you have the log.csv files, both the files, if you already have a support case created, you can send it to us for the analyzing purposes. Or if there is no support case created, then you can choose the option here, this red icon, and use this form to create a new support ticket.